Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So welcome to yet another video. It feels so weird to say this intro after so long. Like मैंने last August में film किया था. उसके बाद it's January and yes, I'm so sorry for being so inactive. I was inactive because मेरा exam था, so I was preparing for that. And yes, the last video that I posted was my homecoming video. And thank you so much to each one of you who have watched that video. I have received so much love. I was not expecting because the video is in like mother tongue and मुझे नहीं पता था लोगों को video समझता था नहीं समझता था. I just posted it because it's one of the most special videos for me and I wanted it to be on my channel, so that was the only reason. And thank you so much for all the love. For the people who have not watched it, I'll add the link to it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And now coming back to today's video, so I have decided to be back on YouTube, so I thought why not share my personal makeup favorite products. And yes, this video is going to be all about that. All the products that I'll be sharing are quite affordable and I'll add the link to all the products in the description box below. So yes, if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Guys, I know I just mentioned that I'm going to share with you all makeup recommendations, but this is something that I wanted to share on a personal basis. That is a lip sleeping mask. It's from Laneige and I've been using this product since 2021. This is my 6th bottle if I'm not wrong, and I kid you not, I've been using this product every single day and night, and it works magic. It's absolutely worth every single penny. Like in this entire video, whatever products I'll be sharing with you all, if you want to buy one single thing, I would suggest to go for this one. It's going to be worth it. थोड़ा सा expensive है अगर एक lip balm के perspective se dekhe to, but it's worth it. And I just not use it like a lip balm, but I also use it as a lip gloss. I have it on my lips right now and I think you can see that minimal gloss that it gives. It's not at all heavy, बहुत lightweight है and it works, like it works whatever it says. So yes, this is the first product. Now moving on to the second product, it's also a lip recommendation and that is this beautiful lip crayon from K Beauty. Now I bought this back in 2021, like the first time that I bought it was in 2021 and it's the perfect nude shade. I have it on me right now. It's a pinkish nude and इसका proper matte finish आता है and मैंने उस पे अभी lip balm लगाया है, इसकी वजह से वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे glossy look दे रहा है. But I am in love with K Beauty products. I use a few of their products. I'll share with you all. मैं अभी आपको वो भी दिखाऊंगी. But if you're looking for a perfect nude lip crayon, then I would suggest you to go for K Beauty. Also, I don't know what exactly the shade number is, but I'll add it on the screen for you. So now moving on to the third makeup product. It's also related to lips and it's this lip gloss from NYX Cosmetics. It's their butter gloss in the shade BLG15 and yes, I bought it like 4-5 महीने पहले and I've been using it a lot. Like I was someone who used to hate lip gloss, but now I've changed and I personally enjoy wearing glosses on my lips and the finish, the look that it gives to your lips is stunning. I'll show you, like मैं अभी आपके सामने ही उसको लगा के दिखाती हूँ. Can you see that? मैंने ऊपर Laneige का lip balm लगाया है, नीचे I have the gloss. So basically काफी similar look है, but this is a bit heavy, so I think ये occasionally लगाना is good and yes, I love it. It's so good. See, मतलब इंडियन वेयर पे वो काफ़ी अच्छा ग्लॉसी इफेक्ट देता है एंड येस दिस इज क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल. आई थिंक आई बॉट इट फॉर समथिंग अंडर ₹500, सो इट्स वर्थ इट इज व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज द स्काई हाई लैश सेंसेशनल मस्कारा बाय मेबेलिन. इट्स वाटरप्रूफ एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे नहीं पता मैं ये चीज़ पहले क्यों नहीं खरीदी या फिर क्यों मैं इस चीज़ को खरीदना अवॉइड की, बट दिस इज magic. Like you can literally see the difference in your eyes when you apply it. Like कि before after इतना प्यारा लगता है. I have it on me right now and if you're someone जिसको वो एक voluminous mascara का look चाहिए तो this product is that and it's waterproof again. तो और क्या चाहिए, कितने भी आंसू बहा लो. Mascara product is this brow gel by Elf Cosmetics. Now I've personally heard a lot about Benefit Benefit के brow products are too good, but I think they're very expensive for the इतना सा thing that you get. And मैंने काफ़ी research करने के बाद I got my hands on the Elf Cosmetics one. I think ये भी थोड़ा सा expensive है. It was for somewhere around 600 or 700 rupees, but it's a great investment to invest in. And जब हम ब्राउज करते हैं like in the filling thing, it makes such a huge difference to your face. Like it makes you feel कि तुमने बहुत efforts डाले but तुमने actually कुछ भी efforts नहीं डाले होते हैं. And it gives that brushed out effect. आजकल बहुत trending है वैसे brows. And yes, I don't want to talk much about this product, but I think if you are someone who fills in your brows, then this product is a good investment. And shade भी मैं screen पे डाल दूंगी, and obviously link will be in the description box. Now the next product is also related to eyes, and it's this LA Girls Pro Concealer. It's not exactly a concealer, it's a color corrector. Now for the people who know, I have dark circles, and मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स आर लाइक जेनेटिक. तो मेरे स्किन का यहाँ वाला जो कलर है ना, वो एक्चुअली इज अ बिट डार्कर देन द एंटायर फेस. एंड आई यूज दिस कलर करेक्टर एंड देन आई अप्लाई द कंसीलर, सो इट गिव्स दैट टोन्ड इफेक्ट कि एक टोन में फेस दिखे. एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव. अगर आपको डार्क सर्कल्स है तो I'll recommend this. I also have one more product which is a bit inexpensive, like काफी inexpensive है. It's the Swiss Beauty one. Just a moment. So yes, as I was saying कि अगर आपको बहुत expensive चीज नहीं खरीदनी हो as a color corrector, then you have a substitute for it. It's the Swiss Beauty's color corrector in the shade 09. It's again orange in color, and it is very 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 inexpensive. It's just for rupees 180 or 200, something like that. And अगर आपको expensive वाला नहीं लेना हो तो आप ये वाला ले सकते हो. My mom uses this one, but I personally use the LA Girl only, and this is like a savior for me. Now moving on to the next product, it's this compact powder by K Beauty. This is my second compact from them, and I am in the shade 130N medium. It's a matte compact. I think मैंने पहले भी mention किया कि मैं K Beauty के quite a few products use करती हूँ, and this is one of them. Now there are a lot of other options in the market which are quite affordable compact point of view से, but I personally feel कि this compact is quite good. In fact मेरा ये वाला भी almost खत्म ही होने आ गया है. I'll have to refill quite soon, but yes, this is somewhere around 650 or 750 rupees. It is a bit expensive, but if you are looking for good makeup product, this is a quite good investment. So now moving on to the last product, and that is a foundation, and it's from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 310, and it's a matte plus poreless foundation. It's good for normal to oily skin. Like मेरा T-zone जो होता है वो usually oily हो जाता है, so it's good for that, and it has SPF 22 in it. Now I don't use foundation on a day-to-day basis. I use it for like occasions, festival है, शादी है तो ही use करती हूँ. In fact right now also I don't have foundation on my face. I just have concealer, color corrector, that's it. And this is quite affordable. It's just for rupees 350 400 कुछ तो ऐसा. मैं सेल पे ली थी तो मुझे क्वाइट अफोर्डेबल ही पड़ा था. बट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड फाउंडेशन टू इन्वेस्ट इन, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड. अगर आप बिगिनर भी हो तो Maybelline के प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक फाउंडेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, दे हैव द स्मॉल ट्यूब एज वेल. सो इफ यू वांट टू जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई, यू कैन स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल प्रोडक्ट एंड देन गेट इनटू द बिगर बॉटल्स. So yes, that's that, and I would rate this product like a 9.5 out of 10 because I've been using this since the day I've started using foundation on my face. So that is how much I love this product. So yes, those were all the recommendations that I had for you all, and these are my personal favorites. I have been using them on me for the past few years. एंड ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और भी, बट अगर आपको कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कोई भी रिकमेंडेशंस चाहिए हो तो यू कैन कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड आई कैन शेयर माय रिव्यूज ऑन इट. ऑल्सो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय.